Hey guys, this is Vacuum 103 here, and today I figured I would do another shredded paper test. This time it's the Dirt Devil Envision Turbo versus the Hoover Windtunnel Plus. I know I haven't done a video of me doing a shredded paper test in a while. And I know that I said to you guys that I wasn't going to do any more videos in the garage, but I pushed some of the stuff out the way so that I can make some more videos. So just move some stuff out of here. Now some of you are wondering why I'm wearing these earphones, because this one's loud and so is this one. So we're gonna start with the Envision. So I'm gonna try this one. Alright, so yeah, here it goes. So yeah, the Envision did a good job. It left a little bit of that shredded paper, so this part almost left a little bit of that. So let's see what the wind tunnel does. Wind tunnel did a little bit okay. It's just having trouble pushing the carpet when I was using. Alright, so let's see what the Envision does for vacuuming all that shredded paper. So here we go. So yeah, you can just hear the brush roll touching that carpet. So I do need to work on that. So let's see what the wind tunnel does with all that shredded paper. the Hoover did a good job there. And same with the Envision. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy another video of a shredded paper test with the Dirt Devil Envision Turbo and the Hoover Wind Tunnel Plus. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I might be doing an update of the month of September pretty soon. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all later. Peace.